Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. It is Wednesday, April 28th. We have another What Sold video for you today. We're going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us.
Hey guys, so I finally got around to cross-posting some stuff to Facebook, and I have 6 sales as a result of that. So
Awesome.
not too bad for, well, I listed 57 last night and then 50 this morning. Thanks to List Perfectly, honestly.
Yeah, List Perfectly, game changer.
That would be days of listing if you did it on your own, and
Yeah.
it was like less than 2 hours doing it with their stuff. So.
We're probably going to be putting some videos out about List Perfectly next month. So if you want to learn more about it, stay tuned for that kind of stuff.
Yeah. So these first ones are some Nike shoes. I've had these listed for quite a while on all other platforms. They did not sell. They sold within an hour of listing on Facebook for $29 plus shipping. I do have $9.99 into these. And then CM. Something else that I've had for longer than I thought I'd have. I thought these would sell quickly. They're the Keen Unique, but these are more, all the other unique ones that I've had, these are like the EXO Unique, I don't know. They looked better quality, a little bit more retail, so I thought I could sell them for $50 at least, which I kind of did with Facebook, but everywhere else I kept getting lowball offers. So yeah, sold first night, $40 plus shipping of $9, so they basically paid $50. I did pay $14.99 for these, so I really needed to get that at least $40 sale price so I could at least double my money there. I think I might have even made a $20 profit, so pretty nice.
And we don't really hold out for higher prices too often.
If I paid $15 for shoes, though, I at least want to like double
If our
that.
cost of goods is higher, we try to hold out a little bit longer than usual.
Another thing that's been listed forever. These are some men's Skechers, like a dress shoe, I guess. Kind of like a dress shoe, but also a sneaker almost. They're like in perfect shape, and yeah, they just been sitting. So I got them for $5.99 at Salvation Army. Sold them for $25 plus shipping on Facebook. And then I sold this Revere wear pot. So I picked this up at that estate sale. Technically the pot was $10, but since we did average cost of goods, I only have $2.76 into it. So yeah, $28 plus shipping is what I got for this one pot, and sold in one day. I'm really hoping I put our 15-pound or like 13-piece lot.
Yeah, and that chewy box right there.
Hopefully that sells.
Because they gave some more shipping options recently, didn't they?
Yeah, so I wanted to cross-post it the other day, and you could only do up to 10 pounds unless you shipped on your own, and on our own, I just feel like that's a weird thing to ship on my own in the first place. But now they've added, I think you can go, I don't know what it is, definitely over 15, which is how heavy that box is. But it's like, it's not just the set amounts, like the 1 pound is 5, whatever, 9, 12. It's like calculated by exact weight. So even for 15 pounds, it was only like $21 and change. And when we calculated it to send on eBay, we kind of calculated it, the closest it could be and the farthest, like New York type Alaska. Yeah. And if it was going to Alaska or New York, it was going to be like $70-something. That's the cheapest we could figure out how to get it.
Yeah.
At least with USPS. Maybe a little less if we did UPS or FedEx. But yeah. So with Facebook, it's only going to be $21. So I listed it for $150 plus that shipping, and I hope somebody buys it. We'll see. I did notice that one pot that we did sell had over 158 views, but the lot only had like 9 views, so I might have to just keep taking it down and relisting it. I don't know.
We might end up breaking that lot down into singles.
If it doesn't sell soon, because it's just taking up weird space right now. And
yeah. We haven't had much problem selling singles. We haven't sold a single bundle yet, right? Like
not yet.
A lot.
So, a couple more Facebooks. So these, the annoying thing to me about Facebook is just all the, not necessarily questions, but just like really low offers. Like I don't put best offer on our items. I price them at my best price, and I'll lower it if a lot of time passes. But yeah, these ones I woke up to an offer this morning of $10. I listed them at $20 plus shipping. They offered me $10. I didn't answer, and then they sold like an hour later to a different person. So I'm glad I didn't answer. But yeah, so they sold for 20 plus shipping. There's some Cole Haan like loafers. They've been listed forever on other platforms. I kind of regretted buying them just because I don't really love dress shoes that much. But I had $6.99 into them, so probably a $10, $11 profit there. All right, BM.
Oh, that's gonna be.
Find it here.
Yeah. There was some boxes on the other side.
Did I sell? Oh, yeah. This is the only one that sold out of what I've listed this morning so far. These are some North Face shoes. They are women's, and they weren't in the best shape. I only grabbed them because they were $6.50. Figured I could get 25 plus ship, but ended up getting 20 plus shipping on Facebook, which since the fee's a lot lower, I guess it's kind of like 25 elsewhere. But yeah, that was not the best pickup. Alright, so that was it for Facebook. And then we had a couple Mercari sales, so log Z.
But that's like our best single day on Facebook so far. What,
Yeah,
six?
that's the most I've ever listed.
6 items sold.
Over 100 in a day.
Yeah.
Alright, so these are some boys Vask hiking boots. I have $8.99 into them, and I accepted a $25 offer, and buyer paid shipping on those. And then AI. So these are Adidas. I thought these would sell really fast. I've sold several of the same ones, and they sold fast. These were sized very weird. Like, they say 6.5, but that's like a men's sizing. So maybe these were youth, and I just didn't realize it. So I converted the sizing into women's, and I put their size chart in there. So I listed them as a 7.5 women's, which is what the Adidas size chart corresponded to all these numbers with. So hopefully no issues with them. But yeah, it took forever to sell, I think, because of that. Because, yeah, I mean,
Right.
maybe I should have listed them as a 6.5 youth, but I don't know. Hopefully no issues. I mean, the numbers all matched up to match with a 7.5 women. So $24 plus shipping is what I got, but I had paid 10 thinking they'd sell for 35 to 40, and they just didn't. All right, Jay. So these are some kids' Vans. I sold them for $26.15 free ship on Kidizen. I don't remember where I got these. I pulled them out of my son's drawer, so I probably got them at Once Upon a Child, and he just didn't wear them. So
Our kids' feet are too fat for that.
if he did wear, or if we did get them at Once Upon a Child, they priced their Vans at $6.50. So I either paid that minus 20% or $6.50. So still probably made a little profit off of those. And then the rest of the sales are eBay. First up is a jacket. So many boxes.
Yeah.
Alright, so this has been listed forever. It's just a London fog wool coat I got from the bins a very long time ago. I don't know why it took a long time to sell. Actually, I wish I would have accepted the offer someone gave me a long time ago on it, because I think they were offering me like 25 or 30, and it just sold yesterday for 20 plus shipping. So
Yeah.
not great, but came from the bin, so less than $2 into it. And it's a coat, so I'm glad to see it go. Right, AS. These are some Chiva wedges. These I got for $7.99 at Goodwill. Sold them for $26.36 plus ship. And then CS. So, these are some UGG, but the Kookaburra, which is just like the cheapy version of UGG. I way overpaid for these, like last summer for $10.99, and they finally just sold for $26.36 plus ship as well. So not the best.
So you'd still pick them up, just not for $10?
Probably not. I mean,
Oh, not
maybe
even?
at the bins. That took way too long to sell.
Yeah.
These are, or that voodoo kit finally sold for $6.12 plus shipping. So can't came from the bin stimulus check challenge, so about $1 into 6. I'll take it.
We assume no responsibility for any
I don't think it was a viewer, but
any damage that might cause.
And then I sold my first pair of Grace in LA jeans. So those are the girls' ones that I got from the estate sale.
Oh, nice.
So also $276 was my average cost of goods that day. So $276 into $21.96 plus shipping. Not too bad, especially for girls' jeans. That's
Yeah.
I basically paid $30 for them. So yeah, that is it so far today.
It for now. We're gonna work on packing it all up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got all that packed up. We got a lot of boxes today. And I think we had one more Facebook sale come in as we were packaging that stuff up.
Yeah, so let's see.
So that makes 7 Facebook sales for us today. Is that more than eBay? I wasn't counting eBay.
More sales than eBay today, yeah.
Wow.
And I've listed it. Well, I did list 50, no, like 100 items, so.
You cross-posted to
I've only
Facebook.
listed to eBay, what, 20, like less than 50.
Yeah.
I guess it makes sense where you're putting your energy.
Performing well, yeah.
So these are just some Clarks, like a wedge. These are part of the stimulus check challenge. So from the bins, around $1 into them. They sold for 15 plus shipping on Facebook.
Very nice. So we'll pack that one up off camera. Did you want to talk about the board?
Sure.
we were gonna talk about it yesterday, and I think we put it off, or maybe we talked about it.
But yeah.
Oh, we put it off on Monday's video. That's right.
Today we did 26 listings. Well, I did. Chris drafted them for me last night. I still have more to do. I wanted to do at least 40 today. He goes to his friends on Wednesday night, so I'll do some more when the kids go to bed.
Yeah.
But yeah, so 26, not bad, even if that's all I did today. I also did all those cross posts. So 50 cross posted to Facebook. Yeah. I had to end about 70 eBay listings. I mean, I didn't have to, but I like to do my sell similars. So I have to get those back active, but that should only take 30 minutes maybe.
Those are the listings that were ending today because...
So we went on vacation and then I had ended a bunch during vacation and I didn't relist them until we got back. So I did them all in one day when we got back. So today's that day, 30 days later, and now I have to do them again. So, but it's only like 70 something when we were on vacation. I remember relisting like 100 and something. So somehow
that means
sold.
A lot of that sold. Yeah, a lot of that sold.
Not enough, but some. So yeah, and then I hope to still get some new stuff photographed today, even though I have a lot to list, but I just want to be ahead and always have drafts ready to go.
For sure. Reese decided to come up and get in his favorite spot.
You want to tell me, Rob?
But that is going to do it. We got to hurry up and get Connor picked up from school and take this off to the post office. Since we have a lot of boxes today, it's kind of more of a pain for us. Well, Kathy's the one that usually drops them off. So we're going to have to figure out how to make that easier for her. We did actually just purchase another Hulken bag. So we're going to have 2 of them. And
when is the video coming up? Because they have a code till the end of the month.
Yeah, I don't think this will be out. 30th? If you see this before April 30th, 2021, we do have a code.
So we'll have a link in the description, but then the code is just Supermom, and that will give you 20% off and free shipping. So yeah, we paid $65, I think, for the new bag, but the regular price is $85. So $65 plus free shipping.
It's a good deal.
It's a good bag. I like the one we have, but obviously I need more because usually that one's filled up, and then I'm still carrying an IKEA bag. So.
Hopefully this video is up before that date. If not, I'll just erase all this. But yeah, that is going to do it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.